Hi there. So I'm solving a LeetCode problem every day until I become a software engineer. This is find players with 0 or 1 losses. So you're given an array of tuples, and each of these tuples represents winners and losers of like a single match. So as each tuple represents a match, the first section of the tuple represents the person or the player that won, and the second part is the player that lost. So the goal is to output two things: the list of players that have not lost any matches, and the list of players that have lost exactly one match. And then you're supposed to have these two items returned together in an increasing order. So in order to solve this problem, I first set up two variables, empty arrays for group 1 and group 2, group 1 being players that have lost 0 matches, and group 2 with players that have lost 1 match. I then set up an empty hash map, which is supposed to set up all the different players as items, and the key values is supposed to represent all their losses. And so I iterate through the entire array, setting up the players and their initial scores as 0. I then add every single loss they have into the key value of the dictionary. And then finally, I sort the dictionary out from players that have 0 losses, they go into group 1. If they have 1 loss, they go into group 2, and these are done by appending them. And then finally, I return them, sorting out the arrays into increasing order. And here are my results. And this took me approximately 40 minutes to solve.